Hey folks, it's Ralf with Stray Benzes. Today I've got a small topic, and that is the small little bolt covers on the edge of the seat, on the front seats, that is, passenger and drive side. Here we go. Here's what I'm talking about. These covers, they can be a royal pain in the neck to figure out how to put back. I mean, they come off relatively easy, but main point is that this little hook needs to go into the first hole down below, way below in there, and this edge and this edge needs to be under here and here respectively. So what you do is you just slide this gently down until, there we go, you feel that the plastic part is actually, the clip part is engaging in the metal rail, and you push this down and there you go. You push these down in there until it clicks. And you do the very same thing on this side. I mean, this one is assembled, but essentially same process. There's the clip. You slide this down until you kind of feel that the plastic hook is engaging. You push the front up way under the metal rail until it clicks and it's in there. Alright, hope you enjoyed that little mini clip, and keep your classics on the road and not in the garage. Take care, guys. Give me a like, send my videos or the links or the playlists to others, and talk to you later. Bye.